me something about myself. My name is James Lewis. I'm an 19-year-old male with a slight fixation on computers. I also have a friend named Nicholas Fitzgerald. If you happen to know, you might have seen his series, Beginnings of Insanity, which I co-star in. So I thought I'd do my own little thing here. I got a camera here.
Ooh, it's shiny, yeah.
I got a room to film it in. It's humble. This is a humble abode. It's humble. I have a split personality. I share 3 people in one head, 4 including myself. And being a host, there's a super cool gym where you would, prick. You want some? Come on, get me in the job. Come on, I dare you. Come on. Yeah, that's what I thought. There's a guard.
Show me your war face! Now! Now!
And then there's this guy. I call him Mr. Jenkins. I also like horror movies. The call is coming from inside your house, ma'am. I also like paper cuts. You know what that is? Where you take cardstock or an ordinary sheet of paper and you make something incredible like this. If you play a lot of video games, you might recognize this as the V-Watch, which turns Joe into beautiful Joe. It's also fully functional. Henshin! Well, not really, but, one can dream. One can dream. Look at me dance. Watch the dancing. Seriously, watch the dancing. Good. Well, that about wraps up the show. I wish I could do a longer episode, but I just don't care. Goodbye, people.
Goodbye, people in the computer world.
Cyberspace. Watching girls go passing by, living the way it's playing. I'm just standing in the doorway. I'm just trying to make some sense. How these girls passing by, the tales that they tell of men. I'm missing on a baby. I'm just waiting on a friend. 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 Alright, all the men now. The real men. Alright, now the ladies. The real ladies. Alright, left side of the auditorium. Alright, the people in the back.